I'm Captain Dave Funderburg from the 325th Fighter Wing, stationed at Tyndall Air Force Base, Panama City, Florida. It's my pleasure this afternoon to describe for you today's flight demonstration by America's premier air superiority fighter, the McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. And now from the left, Captain Donovan is selecting full afterburner and beginning his takeoff roll.
Hanging on the promises and the songs of yesterday.
Donovan is now going over the top inverted as he enters the split S. He'll finish this maneuver at just 500 feet, traveling at more than 500 miles per hour in the opposite direction from takeoff. Donovan is now turning back towards show center. As he reaches show center, he'll show you what good training and good equipment can do when crisp handling is essential to the mission. The 4-point roll demonstrates the precise handling of the F-15. Combat, if you can't turn tight, you can't fight. Captain Donovan will now demonstrate the F-15's exceptional turn capability. In this turn, the pilot will be pressed deep into his seat by pressure 8 times his normal weight. Turning back towards the airfield and accelerating up through 450 miles per hour. As he reaches show center, he'll smartly snap the Eagle through 3 rapid rolls.
Here I go again on my own.
Perform both high-speed and high-G maneuvers that test both the mettle of the aircraft and the pilot. Its low-speed controllability is just as important to those who fly. To demonstrate the F-15 slow-speed handling, Captain Donovan has pulled up and decelerated for a low-slow pass in the landing configuration. While the F-15 is a strong performer at more than twice the speed of sound, watch how precisely it handles as he's rolled from side to side during this low, slow pass. From slow flight, Captain Donovan will pull up into a difficult maneuver called the Cuban 8. one tactical maneuver called the Immelman. We'll modify it slightly to demonstrate the F-15's exceptional power and maneuverability. This one's called the double Immelman. Captain Donovan will use the thrust advantage of the Eagle to perform it at only 6,000 feet of vertical airspace. In 1975, the F-15 established a new world time to climb record by soaring up beyond 12 miles above the Earth in just 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Since the more than 17 years since that record was made, it is yet to be broken. Captain Donovan will now show you just what a high-speed climb looks and sounds like. He's soon inbound at 500 feet, traveling at less than 1/3 the F-15's top speed. As he reaches show center, he'll pull up on a vertical climb made possible by the two superb engines to power the world's best fighter. More than speed and maneuverability that make the F-15 such an exceptional fighting machine. When it was designed, it was the first fighter built since the Korean War, built to meet the needs of the pilot in air-to-air combat. The cockpit was positioned to allow the pilot exceptional visibility from all quadrants, and it was built around a radar that extends the eyes of the pilot well beyond visual range, helping him to see small, high-speed targets down to treetop level. Captain Donovan is now inbound for his final maneuver, a tactical pitch-up prior to his landing. He'll pass us at 500 feet, then make a rolling pitch-up as he reverses his direction and prepares to land. Is now decelerating through 300 miles per hour and lowering the landing gear and flaps as he prepares to land. He'll hold approximately 150 miles per hour on final and touch down at approximately 130. As he lands, notice how Captain Donovan will use the large wings of the F-15 to dramatically slow during the landing rollout. By holding the nose up high and keeping the wings exposed to the airstream, the Eagle doesn't require a drag chute. But as good as the Eagle is, time and technology is beginning to challenge its dominance. It first flew back in 1972, but the aircraft to replace it when the time comes is already off the drawing board and into the air flying. It's called the new Advanced Tactical Fighter, the F-22. This aircraft will build on the lessons we've learned from the Eagle, add revolutionary new avionics, the latest stealth technology, and supersonic cruise engines, guaranteeing the United States total air superiority well into the 21st century. And now, on behalf of our ACC Commander, General John Michael Lowe, thanks for being with us today. We hope you've enjoyed this brief look at the F-15. Captain Donovan, myself, or our superb maintenance personnel will be happy to answer any questions you may have after the show. Thank you very much.
All right, folks, let's have a nice round of applause for the United States Air Force and their F-15 Eagle. And another great fighter jet demonstration here this afternoon.